In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a clear, maintainable documentation space in Confluence. First, open Confluence and create a new documentation space. Give it a clear, descriptive name so people immediately understand what lives there. Add a short summary in the space description to set expectations, like who it's for and what types of content it contains. If you see a documentation template, use it to start with sensible defaults. This foundation makes everything else easier. Next, organize your documentation by topic or by process, depending on how your team thinks. If people usually ask, "What is this about?" go by topic, like product areas or tools. If they ask, "How do I do this?" organize by process, such as onboarding, releasing, or troubleshooting. Pick one approach and stick to it to avoid confusion. Jot down a simple outline of your categories before you create pages. That quick plan pays off later. Create parent pages for your main categories to anchor the structure. These parent pages, jumpas, act like sections in a book. Consider common headings like getting started, how-to guides, troubleshooting, and reference. Each parent page should include a brief overview, a list of what it contains, and links to the most important child pages. Keep the parent pages light. Their job is to help people navigate quickly. Then add child pages for detailed guides and instructions. Use consistent page titles so results are predictable in search. Start each guide with a short purpose statement and any prerequisites. Break tasks into clear, scannable sections and include screenshots or short code snippets only where they clarify a step. If a child page grows too long, split it into smaller, linked pages to keep each one focused. Make your pages easy to read with headings, tables, labels, and links. Use clear heading levels so the structure is obvious. Tables are great for comparisons, checklists, or parameters. Add meaningful labels that reflect topics, teams, or product versions to improve search and filtering. Link related pages to reduce duplication and help readers move from overview to detail without hunting. Share the documentation with the right team members. Grant view and edit access thoughtfully, using groups where possible so permissions are easy to manage. Invite contributors who own processes and let consumers know where to find the space. Consider adding the most important pages to shortcuts or a homepage panel for quick access. Finally, review and update pages regularly to keep information accurate. Set a simple review cadence, assign page owners, and add a note at the top with the last updated date. Archive outdated content instead of deleting it so history remains traceable. With this rhythm, your Confluence space stays reliable, discoverable, and genuinely useful.